The corruption connect of the BJP government in defense deals has once again come to the fore as special CBI court sentenced Jaya Jaitley for 4 years in a defense deal corruption case. Jaya, a close associate of former Defense Minister George Fernandes and Major General S.P. Murugai, retired, have been sentenced for 4 years for seeking to influence defense purchases during the Atal Bihari Vajpayee led NDA government for monetary gains in 2001. Gopal Pacherwal, a political colleague of Jaitley, was also given a 4-year jail term in which is known as the Tehelka sting case of 2001, which forced Fernandes to quit as defense minister and caused embarrassment to the Vajpayee government and the BJP. The judgment marked a huge setback to Jaitley, known for her pioneering work in promoting handicrafts through her Dastkari Hath Samiti and setting up Dilli Haat. However, she narrowly escaped being sent to prison, with the Delhi High Court admitting her appeal against the trial court verdict and suspending her sentence. The respite from the High Court came just before 5 p.m. on Thursday when she was set to be sent to jail. Jaitley is the second influential person to have been scalped by the Tehelka sting or Operation West End. Late Bangaru Lakshman, the then BJP chief, was also stung taking money from journalists of the news portal who had approached him. BJP had to sack Bangaru after the Congress raised the issue. Bangaru was later convicted in a separate case arising from the sting operation. Jaya Jaitley was the president of Samata Party as JDU was known in its previous incarnation. Pacherwal was a senior office bearer of the party at the time of the sting. Jaitley was accused of conspiring with Pacherwal and Major General Murugai to assist a fictitious firm, West End International, in pushing handheld thermal imagers to the Indian Army. A businessman named Surinder Kumar Surekha, booked as an accused, eventually turned approver in the case. The special CBI court had on July 21st convicted Jaitley, Pacherwal and Murugai under Section 120B, criminal conspiracy, of the IPC and Section 9, taking gratification for exercise of personal influence with public servant, of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Special CBI Judge Virender Bhatt said the convicts had acted for petty gains and sought to assist an unknown fictitious firm while avoiding punishment. The Congress has been questioning the BJP government over corruption in defense deals, latest being the Rafale deal. Congress has said that the Rafale aircrafts have been procured at a much higher price and has been pointing out at the major tweaks that made the deal questionable.